Welcome to the mathematics in my channel. Today we are going to solve another interesting integral from 0 to 1 gamma of 1 minus x over 2 gamma of 1 plus x over 2 times dx. Well, how to begin? Okay, first we know this relation x times gamma of x is equal to gamma of x plus 1. Okay, now here we have gamma of 1 plus x over 2. So if we replace 1 plus x over 2 for x, so we know here gamma of 1 plus x over 2 is equal to x over 2 times gamma of x over 2. Okay, then we can write our integral is equal to integral from 0 to 1. Now instead of gamma of 1 plus x over 2 times gamma of x over 2 times here gamma of 1 minus x over 2 dx. Okay, then we know Euler's reflection formula gamma of x times gamma of 1 minus x is equal to pi over sine of pi x. Okay, then here we have gamma of x over 2 times gamma of 1 minus x over 2. So we can apply this formula now instead of here x over 2. So we can write integral from 0 to 1 here x over 2. Instead of this we can plug in pi over sine of pi x over 2 dx. Okay, now to evaluate this integral I am going to use a substitution. So if we take phi x over 2 is equal to t, now differentiate, so phi dx is equal to 2 times dt. Then we should change the limit. When x approaches to 0, t also approaches to 0. When x approaches to 1, t approaches to pi over 2. And here x over 2 we know t over pi, and here pi over sine of phi x over 2 we know sine of t. Now dx we know 2 times dt over dx or 2 times dt over pi. Now this pi we know get cancelled and we have 2 over pi. We can write outside of the integral sign because it's a constant, so 0 to pi over 2. Now we have t over sine of t dt. Now this integral familiar with us because in a previous video we solved this integral and we know this is equal to 2 times g. Here g is Catalan's constant, so the answer is 4 times Catalan's constant over pi. Okay, this is the answer for this integral. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.